Surprise might be the last emotion you'd associate with the translation industry. However, did you know that in the past decade, the global market for translation, interpretation, and localization services skyrocketed from a mere $30 billion to a whopping $50 billion? That's right, a 70% increase. Now that's a language everyone understands, the language of growth. But why should you care, you ask? Well, because this growth reflects the increasing global demand for translators and language specialists. So if you're one of those linguophiles who loves diving into the depths of different languages, this video will serve as your treasure map. First off, a piece of advice from a seasoned translator: keep your language skills sharp. The world of language is ever evolving, with new words, phrases, and idioms cropping up every day. So make it a habit to read widely and diversely in both your source and target languages. This tip will not only improve your vocabulary but also help you understand the cultural nuances of the languages you're working with. Next up, translation isn't merely about word-to-word conversion. Experienced translators often emphasize the importance of understanding the context. So when you're translating, try to grasp the essence of the message. Remember, your job as a translator is to make the text accessible and relatable to the target audience. Now, a nugget of wisdom from language learning experts: practice makes perfect. It's crucial to regularly practice translating different types of content, from technical manuals to poetry. This practice will not only improve your translation skills but also make you a versatile language specialist. And finally, invest in good translation tools. In the modern digital world, technology is your ally. Use it to your advantage. Tools like translation memory software can save you time and effort, making you more efficient. Now, if you've found these tips helpful, or if you have some of your own to share, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. Before we part ways, do remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. And for more such insightful content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Remember, the world is vast and the language landscape is ever changing. So keep learning, keep translating, and keep growing. Until next time.